So we are starting with our experiment. Our first experiment is angle measurement using total station. Okay, so this is the instrument station. This is total station, our instrument, and this is the station, instrument station. And there are 2 points. One point A, that ranging rod, and second point B, that ranging rod. Okay, so first we will be measuring angle difference between two ranging rods or two stations A and B. So for that, initially, right now we have the angle interface. We suppose if it is a distance interface, we have slope distance HD, SD, horizontal distance HD, vertical distance VD. So we can change it into angle by pressing this A and G button. Okay, so by pressing that we get vertical angle. Right now it is 88 degree 25 minute 56 seconds. Horizontal angle 232 degree 56 minute 49 seconds. Okay, so we'll start with this window, and now we'll sight first station, that is station A. Okay, we'll sight station A by this eyepiece.
By rotating the telescope, we'll find the ranging rod, and when we find it, we'll clamp the horizontal clamp so that rotation stops. Then using the vernier fine screw, we'll bring the midpoint of vertical and horizontal crosshair to the center of rod.
So we now have the ranging rod at its middle, and then we'll press this F2, and F2 is, as you can see, F1 is all, that is to record all the values. F2 is written as 0 set. 0 set is to set this value as 0. Right now the horizontal angle is 232 degree 56 minute 15 seconds. Okay, so if we set 0 set, there will be a question, horizontal angle 0 set. We press F4 as yes, then horizontal angle will be set to 0. Okay, if we need a 45 degree or 90 degree value that should be typed in, we can press F3, horizontal H set, and you can type in the value. Right now we just need station A as 0 degree 0 minute 0 seconds, and that right now it is 0 degree 0 minute and 0 seconds. As next step, we loosen this horizontal clamp, loosening it, and turn the telescope to find B, station B, and clamp the horizontal clamp, and by looking at it, and clamping it in here, then we measure the horizontal angle, and the horizontal angle is 65 degree 23 minute 52 seconds. Okay, and that will be, obviously, as we started from 0 from station A and we turned right clockwise to reach B, the angle between AOB, A being the first station, O being this instrument station, and B being the second station to which we are looking right now, the angle between angle AOB will be 65 degree 23 minute 51 or 52 seconds. Okay, and vertical angle we are not measuring. Vertical angle also you can measure like this. Okay, so that is how we measure the angle in using total station. Now we measure angle between A and B. Okay, thank you.